Welcome to Automotive Control. Just a short video today to show you what we've been up to on this brand new Toyota Yaris GR. Firstly, goes to Immobiliser we've installed. That's going to help this vehicle against key theft, key clone, general peace of mind to know where you've parked your vehicle. It will still be there when you get back. Essentially, the Ghost Immobiliser is a really simple system to use. Just going to jump in. The vehicle's immobilised at the moment, so I have got the key in my pocket. Foot on the clutch, ignition on, and we were trying to start the vehicle. The vehicle won't start. It's completely immobilised. Will not start until a unique code by the driver has been put in. Now, the way we put the code into the vehicle is using a range of buttons, sometimes on the dashboard, sometimes on the steering wheel, sometimes on the driver's door card. This particular vehicle is the steering wheel buttons. We can set up a unique code between 4 and 8 presses of different buttons. It can be as simple as complicated as you make it. For demonstration purposes, we've used a really simple code, and also helps us take the vehicle in and out the workshop. Upon vehicle collection, we will show the customer how to set the code themselves, and from that point onwards, only they will know the unique code. So, to pop the code in, full ignition on, we've set the code to resume plus 4 times. So we 1, 2, 3, 4. On the dashboard, we'll get the ABS light flash twice and 2 beeps if the code's correct. At that point, we can then start the engine and the vehicle's not immobilised. Really simple system to use. As soon as the ignition is turned off, the immobiliser will automatically arm itself and your vehicle is secure from that point onwards. So any further starts of the vehicle would require you to put your code in once again. Whilst the car was in the workshop, we have also installed some heated seats to this particular Yaris GR. So the carbon element pads have gone into the seat back and the base underneath this lovely fabric. You'd never know we've actually had this seat stripped down to the bare bones, more or less. We've put the seat switches, the heated seat switches on the side. We've got off, low setting, up is a high setting, and the seats will go off with the ignition, so you can't forget to leave the seats on. Yeah, so that's Automotive Control. Pretty much just over a day's work for the heated seats and the Ghost 2 Immobiliser to be completed. Thank you very much for watching.